For making these quilling flower, we'll need some quilling strips, quilling needle and some glue. And we're all set to go to make these beautiful flowers. For first one, I'm taking half strip of violet and half strip of red color. Make a loop like this. Now make the second loop bigger than the first one, then make the third loop bigger than the second one, and make the fourth loop bigger than that. This will help us to form a petal like shape. After completing that, make one loop at right side of the petal and make one loop at the left side of the petal. This will form a really beautiful structure. The remaining red strip, I am going to wrap it around the petal we formed, so that we can get a complete like leaf like shape. Glue it nicely and we're done. It looks like this. It looks really awesome. Now I made 7 more, so in all we'll need 8 pieces. Now glue it together to form a petal like shape. Sorry, not petal, to form a flower like shape. This looks really awesome. Now I'm using one strip of white and making a tight circle coil to stick in the middle of the flower. And use a half cut pearl to add in the middle of the white coil that we are sticking right now. Press it on your palm so that it can give you a 3D look, and it's done. Super easy and super good looking. For this second one, I am taking one strip of 5 mm of white color. I am going to make a tight coil out of it. Basically, we'll need to make teardrop shape. So what I'll do is first make a circle coil. After that, I'll pinch it at the end of that. I mean, circle has not end, but pinch it at one side of how do I explain it, but hope you can understand. Pinch it at the last. I made 4 more and stick them together to form a flower like shape, and add a half cut pearl, and it's done. This is also looking very cute, and press it on your palm so that it can give you a 3D look. For the third one, I'm taking half strip of green and half strip of black. I'm going to make a loose teardrop shaped coil, same we did earlier, but the only difference will be we need this one as loose as possible. I mean, not very loose, but okay, like this. Now the remaining black strip, I'm going to wrap it around this petal so that it can give you both colors. Like, I want it in multicolor. We need 4 more same petal like this. Stick them together, add a half cut pearl, and we are done. We made all the 3 beautiful flowers. All were very easy and the outcome was really awesome. So that was all for today's video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also follow us on Instagram and Merge. Link is provided in the description, and see you guys next time.